slate. I've asked this question. Everybody asks this question. You got a slate patio or walkway and the mortar joints are loose, and then you start thumping on them and they got a hollow sound to it, and then you try to put it back together and it just doesn't work. I'll tell you why it doesn't work. Slate is not like your normal stone. It's far denser. It has a different expansion and contraction rate in the heat and the cold. And mortar Portland just plain doesn't stick. You can ask the question, so why is it I see something that's 100 years old and it's just as good as ever? And the only explanation I have for that is there was bonding agents in Portland concrete that are not allowed today that may have bonded better at that time, but I have never seen a repair job that lasted on slate. If you know how to do this, please like and subscribe. I'll tell you what we do, but it's not the best. It's not a long-term repair. Here is exactly how to repair if you have a slate patio problem. Tear it up, throw it over a bank somewhere, and get a different product. If having solid mortar joints and a pure, perfect situation is what you're looking for, I am confident you cannot get it from slate. If you lay slate in a stone dust where it can move with a polymeric base, you might be able to get away with it. But in a mortar, it's not going to work. With that as your basis, here's what we do. Clean your base, clean the back of the stone. Take a moment and look at the back of the stone. See how clean this is? I set this in mortar about 3 years ago. It doesn't bond. Clean it anyways. Put a bonding agent on the back of the stone. This is a spec mix. You can see in one of our other videos how we make this mortar. This is a polymeric mortar with some Kaufman's bonding agent mixed in. We apply this stuff to our base. We're pushing it into all the sides. The most successful things I've ever seen are a complete, pour your whole walkway in solid concrete and then drive these guys in on top. So we're going to try to duplicate that kind of situation here. I've overbuilt it and I drive this guy in so that the base mortar comes up and encases the side of it. You can't do this on a hot day or you won't get any bond at all. This is a perfect overcast day. Everything's on the moist side. We've driven this guy in so he's happy with his neighbors. It is squashing up on top some. And then we will tool that joint together to try to get the best possible bond. In other places in the country where the temperature differential is not as extreme, we have the 25 below zero in the winter and 95, 100 degrees in the summer. In other places, you might have a better chance of getting this to work. But here, this is the best repair you can come up with that I can come up with in about 15 years of playing with slate patios. Most of the time when people talk about slate, they call me about a slate patio now, though. I don't always call them back, or I will tell them, let's try to come up with a different hardscape solution. But that's what I know about how to fix slate patios. Sorry for the depressing nature. Please like and subscribe. Check out everything else on our channel. And thank you for watching.